Hi, I'm Mark Smith, the General Manager here at Savardis, and today I'd like to explain about socket types and charging. Okay, let's discuss socket types first. By law, all public chargers must be a Type 2 socket, as all electric vehicles are supplied with a Type 2 AC socket connector and cable. A traditional domestic 3-pin plug is not designed to handle charging loads for long periods of time, so is not recommended and will only result in slow charging. At Savardis, we only use Type 2 standard AC sockets as they are consistent with public chargers, most non-tethered home chargers, and provide fast charging. So what's the difference? Tethered chargers have an integrated all-in-one cable. Whilst this can be convenient, they are also limiting. Not all electric vehicles have the same inlet socket, and as EV technology evolves, so too may the car inlet sockets. This could leave a tethered charger redundant in the future. Therefore, at Savardis, we recommend using untethered universal socket chargers to provide maximum flexibility. Untethered chargers simply plug into the power supply and your car uses a standard Type 2 socket. For more information, call Savardis on 0330 058 7144.